ready for this big stuff? Wow. I just got to get it all stirred up if I can. Can't do it with one hand, but I'll get there. It'll be some chunky salsa. I'll probably cook it tonight, let it sit overnight in the fridge, and then I'll can it tomorrow. So, I got a big mess to clean up. My neck's hurting, but I'll be back tomorrow to show you the rest of this yummy stuff. Like I already tasted on some tortilla chips. Alright, talk to you later. Bye. Hi. Okay, so finally, after about an hour and a half, my dishes are done. So I'm going to pull my jars out and get them lined up and start stuffing them. Just going to take handfuls, and because I can't find my funnel anywhere, this is probably going to get pretty messy. But just going to stuff them down in there, little bits at a time. I wish I knew what happened to my funnel. I'm just going to ladle until the jars are full. I've got my water bath canners over there ready to go. So when I get these filled up, I'll wipe the rims off with vinegar and a paper towel. And then I'll stick them in the jar, and the jars in the canners, and process them for 20 minutes. Okay, when I get this done, I'll bring you back. Okay, I've got them all filled up with the water, and it's just plain water. There's nothing in it. And now I'm just going to wipe the edges with a paper towel that's wet down with vinegar. Again, checking that the rims of the jars are all really good, not broken, not chipped, not cracked. Getting any food debris off the off the threads of the jar. You do that so that the food debris doesn't stop the sealing process of the lids. If there's food in there, it could mess it up, so it doesn't work, doesn't can right. Okay, those are all wiped off really good. Not hot, not boiling, just warm. So then I'll put a lid on each one. And then I'll come back and put a ring on each one, and then I'll get them in the canner. And these are water baths, so I'm going to crank them down pretty tight. When you're pressure cooking, you don't want them this tight. You want them to be able to breathe a little bit so that you get all that air siphoned out. And fill them up, fill it up, whatever the word is. And then when it's all full, I will start the processing time of 20 minutes. Okay, let me get the rest of these in, and I'll bring you back when they're done. Okay, my timer went off, so these have had the lid off of them for 5 minutes. Isn't that pretty? And now the other one's done. So all I'm going to do is cancel that, turn that off, and take the lid off. Yay! this over here so it can cool. Making you dizzy yet? Okay, so I'm going to take these out and set them over here to cool. I guess it'd help if I paid attention to the camera too so you could see what I'm doing, huh? Putting them about an inch apart so they get plenty of air circulation around them so that they cool evenly. So pretty. Look at that. Yay. Yeah, I've been busy the past 24 hours. I've got the hamburger patties. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let's see, how do I do this? There, the hamburger patties. And then this is spaghetti sauce. And this is the salsa. And then the cabbage, or not cabbage anymore, sauerkraut. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to get these out of here and over there to cool. And when I'm done with that, these will have set for 5 minutes. And I can get them out to cool. These are bigger jars. And I'm thinking, since there's no way I'll ever eat that much sauerkraut, it just won't happen. I'll take those with me to the Jamie's van build and raffle them off or give them away or something, because that's just too much for me. Anyway, that's the plan.